What's up, y'all? It's N3 Trades. As y'all can probably already see by the title or the thumbnail, we finna go on a 30-day run. We finna turn $1,500 into $5,000. We gonna try to reach 10,000, but we gonna keep it small. I don't want y'all to think that trading is a get-rich scheme, so we gonna keep it at a bare minimum. We going for $5,000, 30 days. The only thing about it is we only counting weekdays, so 30 weekdays. We finna turn this $1,500. Bring y'all with me. $1,500. We're gonna try to turn this into $5,000 using the stock market. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I'm gonna show y'all all the steps, what trades I'm entering, and what I'm thinking before I enter a trade, and how much I'm risking, and all of that. So if y'all want to learn how to trade, or y'all just want to see somebody go through it in real time, this is the video for y'all. Just do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button for me. We starting up a new challenge, and yeah, we finna get right to it. It's officially 8:29, so the market is finna start. Alright, as y'all can see now, I can see my whole screen. It's 8:30. Finna add the $1,500 into the account. As y'all can see right now, instant transfer of $1,500. Okay, boom, as y'all can see, we now have $1,500 in our account. And like I told y'all, what I was looking at is AMD, so we're gonna go ahead, type that in. And as y'all can see, AMD is shot up a decent amount, but it's starting to come back down. We're gonna wait until, like I told y'all, okay, my strategy is I wait until 9 o'clock, because that's, you have to be able to read what's going on. So as y'all see, it had this giant drop right here, and it stopped here. Now it's kind of playing both sides, like you don't know if it's gonna go up or go down. So I feel like entering right here is like terrible, because like right now, if you see, it's on an uptrend. So of course I'm expecting it to continue to go up, but for right now we're gonna just allow it to play out until around 9 o'clock. Is 8:33, and then we're gonna, what's the name, like I told y'all, we're gonna do some little trend lines real quick. As y'all can see, it's clearly just on an uptrend right here, just continuing to go up. And this big move, you really don't want to go based off of this move, for the simple fact of it's just the open. You get what I'm saying? Everybody's putting in their bids, everybody doing this, everybody's selling. So it's like, this really doesn't matter. This is just like the fact that the market just opened. So this move really doesn't determine what it's going to do for the rest of the day. So don't let this move, like, don't get me wrong, if you want to jump in and enter and hold, you can make some quick money right here. But once it start reversing and you can't get out fast enough, then you got to worry about that. But I like to take what I can get, and I like to go off of my strategy. So we wait till 9 o'clock, then we chart. Like I said, it's on the uptrend right now, so I'm gonna wait till it come up to probably back around 400 before, it's probably gonna be back at 400 come 9 o'clock. But I want to see, if I do enter for a call, I want to see it get back above this level, or even above right here above this wick at 400. So until then, I'm just gonna just watch it play out. I'm not gonna make y'all sit here through this whole process, but I'm gonna come back around 8:50ish, right before 9 o'clock, so I can kind of talk y'all through what I'm looking at and what setup I'm seeing. And another thing is, we're not gonna force no trades. So if it's not there, if I don't see a setup, we're just not gonna trade. Okay, y'all, I did something very stupid. I was looking at the Tesla chart instead of looking at the AMD chart. So this chart that we're looking at right now is actually AMD. You can see that it's still on an uptrend. This was still on an uptrend, and when the market first opened, it had its you can see uptrend, then it had a small, what's the name, and then it had another one. But when the market first opened, it fell, and now it's basically recovering. which if I would have seen this, I probably would have entered probably above this wick, but we're still gonna hold and see. We're gonna wait for it to hold this level now, because now it's at a range to the point where you kind of have to. So this is our range right now. So this is our range right now, and we basically just gonna wait. You can't really go based off of nothing that you see, for the simple fact of, like I said, when the market first open, it's gonna either tank, go down a good amount, or go up a good amount, just for the simple fact that everybody is putting in orders, everybody's selling, everybody doing this, so it makes the market fluctuate a lot. But come 9 o'clock, that's when the rest of the stock market and stuff like that, other markets open, and that's when you see like the true direction. And then I normally try to be done within the first 30 minutes. So if I get in by 9 o'clock, I try to be done by 9:30 unless the trend is continuing. So if I'm in something and the trend continues, then I'll stay in past 9 o'clock. But for the most part, if I get into something and the trend is starting to like consolidate, or it's starting to go the opposite way, come close to 9:30, I just get out. And as y'all can see, it's looking like it's finna start going back down. We just gonna wait till it break this level. Like I said, we don't jump in until 9 o'clock anyway. It's 8:40 right now, so this is the zone that we're in. It's probably gonna chop unless it breaks this level. Even if it breaks this level come 9 o'clock, I probably will still wait until it comes probably all the way down here before I enter, just for the simple fact of it has to you want it to go below its last structure. You get what I'm saying? So if it goes right here and then I enter and it comes back here and then shoots back up, it's just a false entry. So don't ever just jump into something just because of what you think. Make sure that you're getting to the best play possible. And this is the way. Wait till 9 o'clock. Wait till it breaks the structure, and then once it breaks structure, wait a little bit and make sure it's still going your way past the structure break. So as y'all can see, it's starting to go up. I still think that it's going to continue to go up, just for the simple fact that it's on the uptrend. Everything is on the uptrend. So as y'all can see, this was a small break, and then it started a downtrend right here. And this green candlestick just messed up the structure going down. So if another green candlestick forms, if this next candlestick forms green, that's going to give me an indication that it doesn't want to continue to drop. But like I said, we're going to let it do what it want to do, break structure first, and then we're going to look. We're not going to start even looking to enter into a trade until 9 o'clock comes. So I'll get back to y'all, and I'll say about 13-ish minutes, around there, 13 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna let it do what it do, and I'm gonna come back to y'all and let y'all know. As y'all can see, I told y'all if the next candle formed green, that was just gonna be an uptrend. I still didn't get in. I still haven't entered. As y'all can clearly see that I'm right about the uptrend, at least for right now. I still haven't entered for the simple fact of it hasn't broken above where I want it to be, which is roughly 490. And then it's also not 9 o'clock yet. It's only it's only 8:47. So we still got a couple minutes, because you would think that it's going this way, and then 9 o'clock comes, everything pans out, and then it continues to drop. You get what I'm saying? So entering like right here and pulling it all the way back down to here, that's still a good move. So don't ever just jump in because you think something. Let it go. Because think about it, if I would have like, all right, I missed getting in here. Think about if I would have entered where it was at, like right here, if I would enter right here and then just came all the way back down, I'd be down a decent amount of money. Whereas like, why not just wait and jump in once you're 95% positive instead of 50-50, you know? But I just wanted to come and show you guys that how I told y'all about, oh, once this first one formed green, once I knew this next one was gonna form green, that it's gonna be in the uptrend for at least the next 15 minutes until 9 o'clock hits. Yeah, but don't get me wrong, you can also make some quick money. See how I knew this gonna at least go here to 9 o'clock? I could have got in after this green candlestick and rolled it up, but you see how quick it's starting to come back down now? That's the reason why you wait. And the strategy that I have is perfect, because it's like you're not gambling. Jumping in is like gambling a little bit. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and explain that to you guys, because I know that was a mistake that I used to make in the past. I would just jump in off the first little thing that I seen instead of trying to stick to my strategy, you know? So like, don't be so focused on making the money that you putting your money at risk. So yeah, we got a couple more minutes. We got about 10 more minutes. We're gonna let it do what it do. It's still in this range. Like I said, it's not worth jumping in right now. It's still in the range. It's still gonna consolidate a little bit. Let it do what it do, break out, and then we're gonna enter. Alright, as y'all can see, this has officially broke structure. It's officially past structure, and it's 8:57. So now I'm paying attention. Now I'm paying attention to see. Y'all can see I'm paying attention to see if it breaks. I wanted to hold below this wick. I know y'all probably like, oh, why you didn't get in? Boom, you'll be up so much money right now. Bro, it's not about that. It's about making sure you get into the right play. So we're gonna wait. Still, it's 8:58, as y'all can see. And the reason why I say wait, bro, you think that it made this big move and it's not gonna continue for the rest of the day? If that's the case, don't let, oh, I could have made this if I just got in, like force you to jump in and make a rational decision. Because you jump in right here and it don't hold below this level and it shoot back up. Now you like, damn, all I have to do is wait till the candle closed. Yeah, that's all you have to do. So we wait for this candle to close, because once this candle closes, it will be 9 o'clock, and then we make our decision after that. But I am paying attention on puts right now. I am looking for puts right now, just for the simple fact that it's pushing back below this. If it holds below this, then I'll for sure be looking for puts. The reason why I say just wait a little bit, because imagine from here all the way back up to here. That's from 479 to 490. That's a $10 move. A little bit more than a $10 move, you know? That's why I say just don't rush it, man. Just take your time and let the market play out. Because you see now it's starting to form a green candlestick. So we just wait on it and we figure out what we're going to do based off of that. Alright, y'all, as y'all see, it's starting to go back up. Oh wait, what's the name? It's going back into this. It's starting to go back into this zone, which I think is going to continue to go up to at least 490. So I think I'm finna get ready to enter into a call. I wanted to wait till at least hold, but I feel like this is like a strong enough candle just to jump in on. As y'all can see, I just got filled at this entry right here. I am gonna have my phone open while I'm in this trade, just for the simple fact of it's a little bit easier to get in and out of trades on the phone than it is on the computer, at least to me. So I'm gonna be watching stuff on both the computer, just so y'all can be able to see the screen record. But yeah, came back to my target. As y'all can see, I waited till it hit the target, but I probably could have waited till it closed above the target, but I still feel like I had a great entry. Unfortunately, y'all, the camera is finna die, so that's gonna be a big problem. But y'all see it's starting to go back up. We're actually up $73 right now. Unfortunately, y'all can't see. Let me click off so you guys can see. Like I said, I don't really like the computer just for the simple fact that it takes all day to load. But as y'all can see right now, we're up $167. This is actually loading a little bit slower than the phone. That's why I don't really like the computer that much, because on the phone I'm up I was just up 200, 183. So it's kind of like it loads way slower on the computer. We're up 130, well 157 as y'all can see. 157. Now it's 172 right here. Let me go back to the chart so you guys can see. Wow, this the chart. We just watching it. Since we're up so much, like I said, I do have it pulled up. If it focuses, I do have it pulled up on the phone too. But since we're up so much, I'm probably gonna set a stop loss just so we don't lose all of the profit, obviously, because we're up 200 right now. Like I told y'all, bro, this is like the perfect strategy. I could have been up even more if I would have entered like around here or wherever when I first hit this first green candlestick. If I would have entered around here, it'd probably been up like 400 or something like that right now, 400. But like I said, it's better to miss out on a little bit of money and be almost 100% sure that you're going to make money regardless, just because of this what's the name. So I know it's going to go up to at least around this 490 level. Once it gets around that level, then I'll start being a little bit cautious. Like I said, definitely want to get closer to 930. I'll start making sure like it's not gonna go the opposite way of me right now. So we're just gonna pretty much watch it. I'm probably gonna set a stop loss, to be honest, of like 100, just so I know I make at least 100 today, which is actually the goal. I really don't want to set it too, because the stop loss, if I set it at 100, it'll be right here, which isn't a bad level for me. Let me add a indicator so you guys can understand what I'm saying. It'll be right at this level, which is good, because if it breaks below this, it could just continue to drop. But I'm gonna wait for this next candlestick to see what it's gonna do before I enter it, just because I don't want it to drop down right here and go a little bit lower and then shoot back up. So that's another thing. You don't want to set you don't want to like start setting your stop losses as soon as you go into profit, just because you want to give it room to fluctuate. But right now we're up $200. So once this next candlestick closes, I'm gonna be able to set my stop loss, because if it closes like right here and then it comes all the way back down right here, then I'm just ready to get out the trade anyway, you know. But since this candlestick is still open and it's moving, you got to give it room to come down here, then come back up, you know. So that's what we finna do. Yeah, up $213 right now. I told y'all, like, we're going on a 30-day run. 30-day run. I'm finna turn this 1500 up. We finna turn this 1500 up. We really trying to, I think I said I was trying to turn into what, 5K, which is really a little bit over 100 a day. So I think we need to make like 120 a day to hit that goal. But we're gonna have some base hits in this 30-day run, so you gotta know how to just take what you can get and just get out sometimes. So All right, this candlestick just closed green, so I'm probably finna set the stop loss right here, because if it comes all the way back down here, I'm just ready to get out the trade like I told you guys. So I'm finna set the $100 stop loss, because that's really what we looking for, bro. $100 a day is seem pretty good to me, definitely from trading. Not to mention it's gonna be some base hits in here where we probably gonna make $300, $400, $500, $600, you know, definitely once we start scaling up. But yeah, this is already a good start to the challenge, y'all. Good start to the challenge, bro. Do I even gotta say anything, bro? I'm the best in this shit. Look, I call this shit out. Damn, I'm mad the camera died. I made a strong decision to move the stop loss from where it's at right here to down some to 85, which is a little bit lower than this level, because I'm like, this candlestick is starting to drop, but it's not. It's gonna come down a little bit. So I moved it down, which was like probably like a couple ticks under this this wick. It came down here, almost hit my stop loss, and now it's shooting back up. What did I tell y'all? I'm telling y'all where it's gonna go. I know I really like, gang, I do this shit. This shit easy bread. I could, like, this shit's easy bread. Let's see how much we up on the day. We up 230 on the day. 230. It been 30 minutes. It's barely been 30 minutes. It's been 28 minutes. And I'm up 230 from just I ain't even did no work. All I did was click a button. That's all I did. This shit easy, y'all, and I'm calling it out, bro. We finna go on this 30-day run, bro. If y'all want to tap in. I'm probably gonna, y'all gotta let me know if I should start a Discord. Like, people been telling me like teach them this and that, but I really haven't gotten into it. I was gonna make a course too, but I really ain't really been like too into it. But if y'all want to learn, if y'all watching this video and y'all truly want to learn, y'all want me to make a Discord or y'all want me to make a course that y'all actually watch, let me know, because I'll drop a video on that. It's easy pay, bro. This shit, all you gotta do is get up and make it, bro. It's paper out here to be made. We up 200 on a day in 30 minutes. And it's not even this is just a small amount. Cause we gonna have bigger days in this 30-day run. I'm telling y'all, we gonna have way bigger days in this 30-day run. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. We up 200. We still gonna let it do what it do, but I'm probably finna set us a little stop loss, cause it's close to 930. I told y'all when it get close to 930, it start doing the opposite and moving a little weird. So as y'all can see, it's starting to form this little red candlestick. But like I told y'all, just because 930 hit doesn't mean we just jump out and get scared. So we gonna watch and see what it does. But because if it continues to go up, there's no reason to just jump out. You feel me? So we gonna continue to let it do what it do. I expect it to get to at least right here before it start making. They try to start making a reversal. So we gonna wait till it come up to this level, and we just gonna vibe out. I'm up 250 right now. Alright, y'all, today was still a great day, but I definitely made a mistake, and I told y'all this come along with trading, bro. Somehow between me posting the move to stop loss, I forgot to set it. So I took the previous one, I don't know, I think I took the previous one off, and I forgot to set the new one to 400 or 450, whatever I was supposed to set it to. So instead of getting out at 500 or 450, wherever I was supposed to get out at, I end up only making 300 today, y'all, because I forgot. And I laid down for a little bit. I looked at the chart, and I knew it broke under where I thought I had the stop loss at. So I'm like, okay, I'm out of the trade. I'm gonna get back up and tell them in a minute. I checked for some reason. Something just told me to check. I checked, and I was still in the trade. I was down some of the profit. This is just a small mistake for a small setback for a major comeback. I lost a little bit of the profit, but we not mad at that. We still up on the day. We up 300. So, but y'all can see around here, that's when I was telling y'all about the about being at 2K. Boom. Probably like 10 minutes after I made it to 2K and it went up, they start falling. Boom, boom. As y'all can see, it then just started to consolidate pretty much. And then at one point, it even shot back up to 475, but I wasn't really paying attention. Clearly, because I thought I was out of the trade already. But I could have even got out at 400, 475, somewhere a little bit closer to where I wanted to, the $500 target, if I was up and paying attention. That's what I mean by sometimes you gotta be fully paying attention. Like me going to do whatever I did was lay down or go chill. I almost messed up some of my, well, I did mess up some of the money, but I could have lost all my profit. But we not finna let that bother us, man. We up $300. This is day one. We up $300. The account is now at $1,800. Feel me? So, yeah, man, it's road. I said we going for 5K, but that's the small goal right now. We gonna always shoot higher. We never gonna settle. So we really, if we can, we gonna try to get to the 10K mark by the 30 days. This is day one, man. We at $1,800. I'm happy that y'all came along for the ride. If y'all like the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me so we can go ahead and turn up. Make sure y'all come back for day 2. We finna get lit. Let's go.